नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम संजय सिंह और मैं आपका सेल्स कोच। दोस्तों, सेल्स की छोटी छोटी वीडियोस बनाता हूं और इन वीडियोस के थ्रू आपको बताने की कोशिश करता हूं कि व्हाट इज अ साइंटिफिक मेथड टू डू योर प्रोफेशन ऑफ सेलिंग एंड अर्न अ लॉट ऑफ मनी एंड फेम। इफ यू आर रेडी टू मूव फर्दर इनटू दिस वर्ल्ड ऑफ सेल्स, come on, let's get into this wonderful word called sales.
Let's look at this sales leadership matrix, and on this matrix, on the x-axis, I start from good to poor for attitude and good to poor for production. Okay. So if you see the four quadrants that are made, the first quadrant is good attitude, good production, and the yellow box is good attitude, poor production. Okay. Poor attitude, good production. Poor attitude, poor production. तो ये तो होना नहीं चाहिए, ये HR इशू है, इसको छोड़ देते हैं अभी। Poor attitude, good production. So you are always confronting and you are always getting warned. Product is good, production is good, but the attitude of the salesman is poor. And you get into the orange box where you will always find yourself confronting. Confronting means you will always find that your product doesn't have what is required. You will always find faults in your own issue because your attitude is poor, although technically you are saying that the production is good. Right? So every salesman with a poor attitude always finds problems with his product. He always feels his product is bad, he always feels his product is very expensive, he always feels his people are not good, his backup support is poor, and so on and so forth. Good attitude and good production is like praise and reward. So I'm sure all of us want to go here. Okay. Good attitude and poor production, you coach and encourage. So then all of us are trying to go to the green box to be able to take things to the next level. The key differentiator, the game changer is that is the attitude good or not? Because by spending money or by hiring better manpower, I can improve my production, I can go from poor to good. But attitude is something which you cannot buy with money. You know, even if you go to the hunting market, to the job market today to buy attitude, you will not get it. You will not get it ready-made the way you want. So in this leadership matrix, we always say that attitude has to be built for an organization. And that process of building attitude is a very, very integral part of a small and medium enterprise, the CEO. The CEO has to. I meet a lot of CEOs who say that यार मिलता नहीं है, अच्छे salesmen मिलते नहीं है, attitudinal salesmen मिलते नहीं है, क्या करेंगे? I'm ready to pay all the money, but I don't get them. No, you will not get them, because you will get good attitude salespeople when your own attitude towards sales is good. Because the two things survive together. You don't grow cotton in red soil. You need a black soil for growing cotton. So the right environment is.
I hope that all of you have liked this video. If you have, and if you feel that this video is going to help you in doing your business better, then please go down and subscribe to this channel. And give your honest comments, because you are a salesperson, I'm a sales coach. If I get your honest comments, I'll be able to do better. And don't forget to share this video with all your fellow salesmen in this world, so that together we make this world a much better place.